let's make a side dish of roasted potatoes and onions. What I'm going to do is peel and slice up a whole bunch of potatoes and then peel and slice up some onions. As you can see, I've peeled all the potatoes and now I'm going to start slicing them. So what I'm going to do is completely slice this potato, similar to how you would see potato chips thin, but I want to try to get it an even slice throughout it so that it cooks evenly. So let's start slicing this potato. As you can see, I'm slicing them as such so that they're the same thickness. So you're going to continue slicing all of your potatoes like that. As you can see, I've peeled 2 onions. What I'm going to do is take the onion and cut it in half, and then I'm going to place the flat side down, and I'm going to make thin slices just as I did with the potatoes. And I'm going to try to cut them all with the same thickness to them, or thinness, however you want to phrase it. Ooh, eyes are tearing. I have a disposable pan and I greased it with the cooking spray, and now I'm going to place my potatoes that I sliced and the onions. Just try to break up the onions a little bit. I'm going to add olive oil to this. And I'm going to stir it up to coat both potatoes and onions with the olive oil. Then I'm going to season with salt, pepper, and grated cheese, and a little bit of butter. Let's add some salt. And pepper. Oops, that was a little heavy. And some grated Parmesan cheese. And then I only add a few little dollops of butter or margarine. Just in the corners. And center. And that's it. So now I'm going to cover this with aluminum foil, and I'm going to put it in the oven at 400 degrees, and it will bake for about an hour and a half, about 20 minutes to half an hour. Before it's done, I'll just take the aluminum foil off so that I can brown up the tops of the potatoes. Enjoy. The potatoes and onions just finished, and I took them out of the oven. As you can see, they're cooked and browned. Enjoy.